is Uganda. Let us rise now, embrace true knowledge, yielding disciplined resourcefulness, yielding disciplined resourcefulness to wield a great, great pearl. We know the way into the land of enlightenment has thorns, creepers, veils, and mountains. Come what may, we shall overcome for the glorious times to come, for the glorious times to come. We young women and men of Uganda are marching along the path of education, singing and dancing with joy together, uniting for a better Uganda, uniting for a better Uganda, uniting for a better Uganda. Parents and teachers and the youths of this nation, rise with us, support our endeavors. Lead by God, who is the source of life. Lead by God, who is the source of life, to uplift our motherland. We young women and men of Uganda are marching along the path of education, singing and dancing with joy together, uniting for a better Uganda, uniting for a better Uganda, 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 the pearl of Africa.
DJ EVIOPROMIX on the wheels of steel.